Good day, everyone. Welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery. And yeah, today I didn't come to fix anything, but you know what? I spent like so many years trying to find like a sound module, like the best sound module to replace like you know, the thing with the stereo power amplifier or home theater. 99% of the jobs, turning on no sound, turning on no sound. I found a lot of such kind of jobs, and that was a very big challenge. You open the next thing, you don't have the sound IC, you can't fix it, and the money is gone. So what I did, like 2 months ago, I buy this sound module. These are some kind of universal sound module. You can put it on any stereo power amplifier. And this is the TPA3110, and it's going for 15 watts by 2. You can connect 2 speakers, like 15 watts speaker. And I never faced problem with these modules. These are some kind of good modules. I've been using it for so many kind of jobs with no sound, and there was no issue, and the connections are very simple. These are some kind of mono amplifier class D. What do we have on this board? It's very simple. We have some coils. We have the connections for the speakers. Here we have the DC in, and it's stretching from 12 volts to 28 volts. And here, that's where you can connect the aux. So with this module, the audio input, you use the aux cord to bring sound to this. You put the aux, you connect it to the phone, and the sound will be very nice. So few days ago, like 3 weeks ago, I was searching on AliExpress, and what did I found? I found these ones. This is the TPA3118, and I don't want to lie, this is above all. If you are looking like an universal audio power amplifier class D to replace, like you have a sound system, you don't have, it's coming on, no sound, you are trying to find a way to bring the sound back, you can't find the chips, buy these ones from AliExpress. These are some kind of classic boards. So what do we have? On my right hand we have TPA3110. On my left hand is TPA3118. All these are sound amplifier class D. And I don't want to lie, this is very beautiful, and they try to simplify everything on this board. And what other difference from TPA3110 is the wattage. This is 45 watts by 2. This one is 15 watts by 2. On addition to this is also working with Bluetooth. And what they did, they put the aux. You can see the aux here. This is the jack for the aux. So either you can place it with the aux, it will work fine. So what is the idea of this video? The idea of this video, maybe someone has got sound system, you know, like home theater, subwoofers is coming on but no sound. You try to look for sound IC, you can't get anything. Please buy this. And how much is the cost of this board? The price will shock you. The price will shock you. 1 second. The price will shock you. Okay, check here. I'm on the AliExpress platform, and we have this you see 45 plus 45 watts mini TPA3118 Bluetooth sound amplifier board, and the DC input is using 12 volts to 28 volts. This is some kind of class D audio amplifier, and if you can see how many people managed to buy this, over 500 clients, and the connections are very simple. Check the board. What do we have? We have the connections for the speaker, the middle connections. This is the power in, the DC power in connection, and on the other end we have this is the aux jack, and that's all. And how much is this? $2.78. Is this not beautiful? So with this board you can replace anything. Trust me, you can replace, or you can solve many sound problems from different kind of devices with no sound. So we need to test this. We need to test this. So what I'll do, is very simple. What I'm going to do here is very simple. Let's connect the speaker, just to understand what I'm trying to do. Maybe someone, what I'm going to test, I'm not going to test the TPA3110. I'm going to test this one, the new model TPA3118. That's what I'm going to test here. So we have these speakers. These are, what I found is 30 watts by 2. So how we can, what we need is very simple. The connections are very simple. The connections are very simple. I think we need to put to turn on the famous extractor, just to take out the smoke. In most cases I'm forgetting to turn it on. So I would say let's solder all the wires here. The connections are very simple here. So I just finish connecting the left and the right speaker. These are some kind of 30 watts speaker. And we have the connection for the speaker and for the DC in. So I will set the power supply to 12 volts, 12.19. The minimum I don't think 3 amps is too much. Let's start with low current. 1 point. Let's start with low current. I'm connecting the power supply.
Bluetooth mode.
You hear the sound quality? Yeah.
Bluetooth mode.
This is beautiful.
Bluetooth mode.
You hear the sound?
Bluetooth mode.
So this is working with Bluetooth. So what I will do, I'll turn on the Bluetooth of my phone just to see the sound, the kind of sound quality which we have here.
Bluetooth mode.
Connect.
Bluetooth mode.
Connected. Let me look for a proper song here. I can even play just a local song. This is, you can hear the sound quality, the frequency, everything. This is beautiful. So it's like if you find something good, it's good to share. So that's what I found on AliExpress, and the board is very simple, $2.78, like one board. So with this thing, you can do wonders. You hear the sound quality, everything. So what I did, I just buy 10 of these boards just for testing, and I'm planning to buy more because this is working. I fix like a lot of subwoofers, DVD players, audio devices with no sound using these two. And you know, subwoofers, some of them they are not using Bluetooth. So if you put this board and it's working with the Bluetooth, and you can also put an aux, that's a good improvement to the customer. So I would say, yeah, this is above all. If you are looking for universal sound module, I'll consider this board. Just go on AliExpress website, you type TPA3118, and you see many suppliers selling these boards. And these guys, they are very reliable. I ordered this thing in 2 weeks time. I received my boards and everything is working fine. So I would say like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. And see you on the next game. Bye.